So, you got yourself a Yamaha Raider, but you found out that the aftermarket pipes cost as much as a Harley-Davidson oil change. Good news is, the factory pipes sound pretty good if you just cut out the baffles. This is what the factory pipes, with the baffles still in, sounds like. So here's what you're going to need. A hole saw, 3 7/8 in size, some pinchy things, a Dremel tool to cut down some burrs, and the old exhaust. Don't forget, be patient, work slow, use lots of lube on the bit. And be sure to set your drill to the lowest speed possible. This guy's using a hammer drill, but he's got it set to the full drill setting here. Do not want a hammer drill on this. The baffles have 2 walls you got to go through, and trust me, if you don't get all the way through them, that sucker's not budging. You should be able to see through to the insulation, but it is pretty tight. Vice grips and a screwdriver are really all you need, but I didn't figure that out until I got to the second pipe. So, well, live and learn. So here we go. Not bad for less than $60 in tools, huh? Hey, thanks so much for watching. If this wasn't a terrible video, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate your support.